In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Airtable to make.com. This guide is perfect for those looking to automate their workflows and integrate Airtable more seamlessly into their daily tasks. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by logging into make.com. Open your preferred web browser and enter www.make.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll either need to sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. This step is crucial because it gives us access to the tools we'll need to link Airtable effectively. Now, once you're settled in on your make.com dashboards, look for the option to create a new scenario. It's generally represented by a button labeled plus create a new scenario. Click on it, as this is where we'll begin to connect Airtable to your various projects and tasks. Moving forward, in the scenario editor, you'll notice a prominent plus icon, often referred to as the big plus button. Give that a click. A search bar will then appear, allowing you to look for Airtable, type in Airtable, and select it from the options provided. You'll need to pick an action next, such as search records, create record, or update record, depending on how you intend to manage your data. Next, let's connect your Airtable account to make.com. When asked to select a connection, choose the option to add a new one. A window will pop up requesting your Airtable API key or token. This is a vital step as the token acts as a bridge that securely links the two platforms together. To obtain your API key or personal access token, you'll need to open a new tab and visit your Airtable account settings. Once there, find and click on the button to create a token. This token will serve as the key to your Airtable kingdom. When naming it, something simple and memorable like make.com integration could be useful. Select the workspaces and bases you wish to grant access to, and once the token is generated, make sure to copy it. Return to the make.com connection window and paste your Airtable token in the designated area. After confirming it, your Airtable account is now successfully linked to make.com. The next step involves selecting the specific Airtable base and table you aim to connect. This setup stage is where you'll define the fields that are crucial to your workflow, like name, email, or status. Before getting too comfortable, it's wise to test your connection. Run the scenario once to ensure the Airtable module is functioning correctly. If everything checks out, you can further enhance your automation by adding modules like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. Finally, remember to click Save. And to activate your new scenario, flip the scenario switch to On. This step ensures that your automation is up and running, ready to take on your organizational challenges. Now, you've successfully linked Airtable to make.com, streamlining your workflow like never before.